Now the reason I decided to showcase this is because many people don't know that you can use MPC drums inside of FL Studio with using the slicer. You don't actually need an MPC pad to run this inside of FL Studio, and I'm going to show you how. Live on the beat. Okay, so to get started, you're going to need to download the MPC drums. There'll be a link in my description. If you guys head over to Producer Buzz, there'll be a link to MPC drums as well as explaining how to use it and everything, and the download link as well as the information on the slicer. Really important. So once you download your drums, you're going to get this folder here, Rusty Drums. And once you open it, you're going to get these sounds in here. But what you're going to notice is when you click on it, it will just keep playing. That's because these have been designed for MPC. As well as the WAV files, as you guys can see, it just keeps playing in the background. It comes with MPC pattern as well as the XMP, which can be imported into the MPC. But we don't have an MPC, so we're going to load these samples straight into FL Studio. And to do that, we can simply take the sample, like the hi-hats, and drag them onto the playlist. And we get loads of hi-hats. And that's not what we want. So we're going to open up Fruity Slicer. So right click, insert Fruity Slicer. Open that up and you're going to get a window like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up the folder where you've got your MPC kits, and we're going to use the MPC free hi-hats that we just loaded onto the playlist here at the top. What we're going to do is we're just going to click on it, hold it and drag it, and you will notice that it's going to show up on a screen like that. You're just going to drop it inside here. Bam, and done. Once you drop it inside, you will see that the slicer will automatically slice it up. And now it's ready to use. You can press your keyboard or go inside of this and play the keys. That means we can now create a beat using the MPC. Now, if you guys don't have MPC, you can also use your keyboard. I'm going to show you in a second. But this is what I've made. Check it out. Now that's got no effects. If you add a bit of reverb and actually mix and master it, it will sound pretty much it's been recorded live. Pretty cool, right? And now I'm going to show you how to load it up and play it with your keyboard. So this is my MIDI keyboard, and as you guys can see, when I press the keys, we've got all the samples loaded onto the MPC pad. And here on the screen, as I press it, it actually shows you what I'm pressing. As simple as that, guys. But yeah, I thought I'd show this to you guys because not many people know how to download and install these MPC pads. And you can actually use them inside FL Studio on the slicer, program them in, and that's how you can actually start using your MIDI keyboard to program all these cool sounds. They're very realistic, royalty free. There's tons and tons of royalty free samples in here, and it's free to download. So I thought I'd share this with you guys. You probably won't see another video like this showing you this. So I just want to share this information with you. Again, if you enjoy this, make sure that you hit the like. Make sure that you subscribe. We've almost hit 80,000 subscribers. So that is absolutely phenomenal. Again, thank you all for dropping all your comments, hitting the like, subscribing. See you guys again soon. Peace out, subscribe, and ciao.